So this is the Tronsmart stereo sound, portable speaker, waterproof, all sorts of awesome things. Comes with its own app. You can connect via Bluetooth, via seamless connection, SD card, different playing modes. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. I'm actually just gonna kind of fast forward through the unboxing and then show you some of the cool things that this can do. It actually can connect to up to 100 other speakers, so you can have a light and sound show connected together. So I won't do a lot of talking, I'll just fast forward. Okay, now that we've got unboxed, pretty easy, right? So you've got this portable speaker with the bass, right, on the ends. You've got all of the power buttons here on the front. We'll talk about what those are on the back. And then on the back, you've got your charging port. And let me pull this open. You've got a USB, USB-C, your aux, and you can also use a TF card. So you have a bunch of different options there as we do the close-up. And then it comes with the aux cord, which is right here, and a USB to USB-C charging cord. Now, as far as playing time, different things like that, we'll give you all that information. Just wanted you to look at the front too. Here's your control buttons that you have here. Look at what all of the buttons are here, your connected cables here, when you have multiple speakers connected together. So I'm gonna download the app and connect my phone, and we will go from there. So you'll go to the App Store, whether you're on Android or Apple, you're gonna download right here the Tronsmart. I'm gonna open this up. For the first time, I'm gonna agree and continue. We're gonna pick what we've got. We are talking about the Tronsmart Bang, so we're gonna click right there. We're gonna click on Allow. It's gonna search. It'll pick up the device right then. So we've now got it connected. And what we can do, we can actually change the bass, the mid-range, the treble. We can do a deep bass, and then by default, it'll go to the deep bass. When we click on this last thing over here, it'll allow us to change the LED colors. We want to vary with beats. So I'm going to leave that on and vary with beats, and then I'll show you what this looks like when the beat is actually on and playing. So here we are, now that we've downloaded the app, the light show is actually going to the beat of the music. The LED lights are all the way across the bottom here. So I'm gonna pause the music and then give you a little bit more information about the indicators on all these buttons. So we've got the music paused right up here. These three lights, this is your charging indicator. So this lets you know when the smart speaker is fully charged. Right here is your TuneCon indicator. If you have other devices, it will tune with those other devices. So this is the mode button, depending on what kind of mode you have. Obviously, this is the volume down. This is the play and pause button. This is the volume up. This is the sound pulse EQ button, so you can mess with your EQ indicators. This is the Bluetooth indicator as well as the power button. So depending on what you want to do, if you want to go forward a song or back a song, the instructions in each individual playlist would go there. So for example, if you hold the power button down for 2 seconds, it turns the whole device off. If you hold it for 8 seconds, it'll reset. So you have a lot of different options as far as skipping songs, playing songs. So if I wanted to play a song and then just skip, I hold down the volume button and it would just go to the next song. If I wanted to go back, I would hold the volume button minus and it would start that song over again. So a lot of smart features are built into this. And one of the other really cool things that you can use is you can use basically a power battery pack and charge it in the back, so you could actually run off that battery instead of wearing down the battery that's internal and kind of keep it charging the rest of the day. So here's the light show. I put it in kind of a dark place so you could see what that looks like. Super loud. The volume here is fantastic. The bass is great. Let's show you the bass on the sides.